Good morning, students. I think you all are enjoying this quality time. Stay home, stay safe. Today, I am going to deal with a poem, The Noble Nature. This poem is written by Ben Jonson. What is the basic idea, the basic theme of this poem? To which life we will consider a noble life. I give you an example. Do you remember the name of your grandfather? I think you will all answer, yes, I know. Again I ask you, do you remember the name of grandfather of your grandfather? क्या आपको आपके दादाजी के दादाजी का नाम पता है? I think most of you will answer, no, I don't know the name. Why so? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because they have not done any remarkable job in their life that we remember them till this day. उन्होंने अपने जीवन में ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ा कार्य नहीं किया जिसके कारण से हम उनको आज दिनांक तक याद रखें. This is the basic idea or theme of this poem. We will consider the life noble if it is impressive, if it is purposeful, if it is meaningful, if it is full of heroic deeds, noble deeds. यदि जीवन हमारा उद्देश्यपूर्ण है, हमने कोई बड़ा काम किया है, then it will be remembered. तब उसे याद रखा जाएगा. I give you another example. मान लीजिए आप महाराणा प्रताप की खानदान में जन्मे हैं. You still remember that personality after 400 years. क्यों? Because he has done remarkable job. He fought for his motherland. He fought for the freedom. He fought for the public. The life of a person, if it is purposeful, it will be remembered. Otherwise, it will not be remembered. Now, I gave you the poem. The noble nature. It is not growing like a tree in bulk doth make man better be, or standing long an oak 300 years to fall a log at last, dry, bald and sere. A lily of a day is fairer in May, although it falls and dies that night. It was the plant and flower of light. In small proportions we just beauties see, and in short measures life may perfect be. Now in this poem, the poet draws two objects from the nature. The one is an oak tree. The another one is a flower of lily. Now, what are the basic characteristics of these two objects? Why did poet take these two objects? We consider it. This is an oak tree and this one is lily. What are the characteristics of oak? Long life span. The oak tree lives for 300 years. It lives for 300 years. But it doesn't give any fruit. Without fruit, without flower. At last, falls like a log, like a lifeless log. Which characteristics are given in the poem? Dry, barred, and sere. These are the basic characteristics of an oak tree. It lives 300 years, a long lifespan. But at last, it falls like a log. It is dried completely, sere and barred. There is no use of such long life because the life is not impressive. This kind of life will not be remembered. On contrast, we see the lily. Lily, short lifespan. Lives only for a day. But this short span of life makes its surrounding beautiful. It aids beauty to its surroundings. It aids beauty to its surroundings. This is the impression of its life. Its life is impressive. Its life is meaningful. Its life is purposeful. On contrast, the life of an oak is meaningless. Without purpose. Unimpressive. These are two objects which are drawn from the nature. One is oak, the other one is lily. Oak lives 300 years, lily lives only for a day. After 300 years, oak falls lifeless log. Without any impression, without giving any fruit or flower to the nature. This kind of life will not be remembered. Why we still remember Swami Vivekananda and Bhagat Singh? The lifespan of Bhagat Singh was only 23 years. The lifespan of Swami Vivekananda is only 39 years and some months. But still they are remembered because of their heroic deeds, because of their purposeful life. And this basic idea is given in this poem. Life should be meaningful, life should be impressive, life should be purposeful. Tomorrow we will discuss the question answers of this poem. Again, I am reminding you some basic concept of this poem. This poem, The Noble Nature, it is written by Ben Jonson. The poet draws two objects from the nature. One is oak, the other one is lily. Oak stands for long life, lily stands for short life. Oak lives 300 years, but it is meaningless. It is not impressive. Lily lives only for a day, but it adds beauty to all of its surroundings. It adds joy to the nature. And this is the purposeful life. This is impressive life. This is meaningful life. Thank you.